Thank you for participating in Vermont's annual Spring Flood Seminar. I'm Emily Harris, the Engagement Section Chief at Vermont Emergency Management. During this video, I'll be providing you with an overview of the presentations in this series. The purpose of these videos is to provide local jurisdictions with information about conditions that may result in spring flooding and proactive measures to prepare for, respond to, and recover from such events. Presentations that are available in this series include National Weather Service. John Goff, the Senior Service Hydrologist from National Weather Service Burlington, Vermont, provides an initial winter-spring flood outlook. Agency of Transportation District Project Managers. District project managers and their technical staff act as a technical resource for local town officials. They administer state and federal town grants, helping municipalities maintain their infrastructure. They assess town damages in disaster events to verify the event qualifies for federal assistance. Towns rely on their experience, VTrans resource connections, and overall technical advice. Agency of Natural Resources Rivers Program, Emergency In-Stream Work. The River Management Section administers the Stream Alteration Rule, which regulates activities in perennial rivers and streams. After a flood, the program issues emergency protective and next flood authorizations for stream bank stabilization to protect buildings and infrastructure, restore channel capacity to pre-flood dimensions where there has been excessive disposition of sediment and debris, and for repairing or replacing damaged or destroyed stream crossing structures. Division of Fire Safety, Flood Response Activity Services and Resources. The Vermont State Division of Fire Safety provides emergency inspection for the safety of occupants and buildings. Vermont's Urban Search and Rescue provides technical level water and rescue capability and long-duration heavy technical rescue. The Vermont State Hazmat Team provides technical level hazmat response to all towns in the state of Vermont. Vermont National Guard. The Vermont National Guard conducts its domestic mission in support of civil authorities in order to save lives, prevent human suffering, mitigate property damage, and protect critical infrastructure upon request of state or federal authorities. This support typically occurs during large-scale incidents, but also includes several unique capabilities that support communities day-to-day or during smaller-scale incidents. Regional Planning Commissions, an overview of the RPC local liaison role. Vermont's 11 regional planning commissions have Memorandum of Understanding in place with Vermont Emergency Management to provide local liaison service during times of disaster, which entails facilitating communication between towns and the State Emergency Operations Center by filling out situation reports on behalf of municipalities they serve. They may also be called upon to assist with gathering of information needed for preliminary damage assessment. Vermont Emergency Management Preparedness and Response. This is an overview of the Vermont Emergency Management Team and the support Vermont Emergency Management can provide in preparedness and response. Vermont Emergency Management Recovery Section. This video reviews the interface with FEMA to deliver federal disaster recovery and funding available to communities to reduce their future flood risk. The recovery section assists towns, critical private nonprofits, state agencies, and utilities in recovery for damaged infrastructure related to federally declared disasters. Funding is available at a 75% federal share at a minimum. Vermont Emergency Management Mitigation, grant funding to reduce flood risks. Vermont's Hazard Mitigation Section Chief discusses what hazard mitigation is, what plans exist, and what funding sources are available to support mitigation projects. Please watch the video presentations in this series and join us for a live question and answer session with representatives from those agencies that provided presentations. During that question and answer session, the National Weather Service will provide a spring flood prediction update and then allow you the opportunity to ask questions based on what you saw on any of the videos. Registration is available on the Vermont Emergency Management website.